Have you heard about the new Telecom Bill 2023? This piece of legislation, passed by the Lok Sabha on December 20th, 2023, following a brief debate, has been making headlines. However, it's important to remember that it's yet to be passed by the Lok Sabha and hasn't become law yet. Let's delve into the nitty-gritty of this bill, starting with its key objectives. The Telecom Bill 2023 has four main objectives. First, to modernize and reform the telecom sector. It aims to replace the outdated Indian Telegraph Act of 1885 and the Indian Wireless Telegraphy Act of 1933 with a modern, comprehensive framework. Second, to promote infrastructure development. The bill streamlines the process of laying telecom infrastructure and creates a right-of-way mechanism. Third, to boost digital inclusion. The bill encourages the use of satellite spectrum for rural connectivity and facilitates the development of affordable internet access solutions. Lastly, to strengthen national security. The bill grants the government powers to temporarily take control of telecom services or intercept communications in the interest of national security or public safety. Moving on to key provisions, the bill has several important points. Licensing and authorization. Prior government authorization is required for establishing and operating networks, providing services, and possessing radio equipment. Spectrum allocation. Spectrum will primarily be allocated through auctions, except for specific entities and purposes where it will be assigned administratively. Data privacy and surveillance. The bill contains provisions for data privacy and security, but some concerns remain regarding user data collection and surveillance powers granted to the government. Consumer protection. The bill includes measures to protect consumers, such as a Do Not Disturb register and requirements for prior consent for receiving certain messages. Regulation and dispute resolution. The bill establishes a new regulatory framework for the telecom sector and creates a mechanism for resolving disputes. However, the Telecom Bill 2023 has also sparked controversies and concerns. Critics argue that the bill's provisions on data collection and surveillance give the government too much power and lack adequate safeguards for user privacy. The government's ability to temporarily take control of telecom services and intercept communications raises concerns about potential misuse and lack of transparency. The bill doesn't explicitly address internet shutdowns, raising concerns that the government's powers could be used to restrict internet access. In conclusion, the Telecom Bill 2023 is a significant step towards modernizing the telecom sector in India. However, it's important to address the concerns regarding privacy, surveillance, and internet freedom before it becomes law. For those interested in delving deeper, you can refer to the Telecommunications Bill 2023 on PRS India's website, or check out the news coverage on the Telegraph India and Internet Freedom Foundation's websites. Remember, knowledge is power. Stay informed, stay empowered.